10 more miles. I'm at 150,000 miles. So what's up, everybody? Right now I'm here at Advance. I gotta get my oil filter here for the daily because I gotta do an oil change. But I'm not gonna get my oil here. I'm gonna show you why. I'm gonna show you the prices in here for oil, and then we're gonna go to Walmart and get my oil, and I'll show you the prices there, and you'll see why I go to Walmart for my oil. That's why I don't buy my oil here. Too expensive. So now I'm here at Target. I'm gonna go in here. Derek, stop texting me. I'm gonna go in here and get my oil because you saw the prices at. Derek, stop texting me. You saw the prices at Advance. Like 20. Really? It was like $20, like $26 or whatever, and $37 and all of this if you get an oil filter. That's just ridiculous. Who's gonna pay that much for oil? You can go here at Walmart and get it cheaper. Same oil. Well, they don't have what I usually get. I usually get this 5W30. The other guy's 10W30. So I guess I'm getting this. And they have it in this, but they only have 3 quarts. I need more than 3 quarts. This is why I go to Walmart. Look how much cheaper the oil is, and it's the same stuff. So I just got out of there finally. It was freaking packed, let me tell you. Oh my goodness. Like, I don't understand why it was so packed to me. I know it's a Friday, but man, it almost seemed like it was Black Friday in there. So it must have some type of sale going on because people are buying all kinds of stuff. Did it! 150,000 miles. I'm sorry for the shakiness though, because it's kind of hard to do this. This is how I was doing it, because it got so dark. Yeah, sorry about that. What's up? So I just got home. It's time to change the oil now. It's gotten dark. I hate when it gets dark early. I hate this time of year, only because it gets dark early and it's about to get really cold. And this is what the oil filter I'm using. And I usually use Fram. Oh, by the way, this is a 2001 Toyota Corolla. That's what my daily driver is. I was thinking that my oil pan gasket was leaking, and it was just on this back side. It was wet, and I was like, well damn, now my oil pan gasket's leaking. Come to find out, right here looking at it, looks like my power steering pump thingamajigger is leaking. Looks like it's leaking pretty good too. Wet right here on the oil pan. See this bolt right there? See how it's all wet on the back side of the block right there? And you look up, let's see if we can see it. Right there, all that's wet right there. All that right there's all that's wet. All this is wet, and all this is wet. All right here. And now it kind of looks like on top, I gotta see, this is my power steering pump right here. Even on top up here is looking like it's all wet. And I don't know where it would be leaking from. And you go on this side. Let's see if I can. All right there is wet. That's your bolt right there to drain your motor oil. And you need a 14mm. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Remember that. Break it loose. This shit's probably gonna be hot as hell too. Woo. Let it drain out. Then you run up here to the top, break this loose, and it'll start draining even more. So you let that drain for a few minutes. And then after you let it drain for a little bit, stick the plug back in. Take your wrench. All you need this is pretty much hand tight. You don't need it super tight. Just need it hand tight. Clean up around it. So the oil filter is right here. That's my oil filter. I can't believe it. I did it with my hand. Usually these things will get stuck on there for some reason. Oh. I gotta push y'all back. And you take your new one. I hope y'all can see this pretty good. I mean, it's dark. And you get some little oil and put it around this ring right here. We'll just go right here. Take some of this oil. Put it around the ring. And then stick it back up there. And then all you need that is hand tight. You don't need to crank it down or nothing. Clean up around your head. Clean the where it dripped from up real quick. And then we go back to the top. And you want to take your dipstick out, just a little yellow handle here. Take that out. And you put your oil back in right here. Probably the best thing to do is use a funnel, but I'm a professional at this. Look at that. Professional, let me tell you. You just gotta make sure you know how much oil to put in your car. This one I think it takes like 4.5 quarts. If you're up on like stands like I am, you put a little bit in it and you just keep checking, like put it on the ground and check, and you put a little bit in it, like 4 quarts, get it on a level surface and then top it off. You don't want too less and you don't want too much, but I guess it's better to have a little bit too much than too less. Put a little bit more. Look at that. Then we're gonna pull it down off the ramps and then finish it. then you keep adding until you put it as much as your car recommends. And then you check it. That looks about right. And then you let it run for a few seconds, and then you check it again. And then you can go underneath and check your oil filter and your drain plug and make sure they're not leaking. Forgot y'all are on there, my bad. You just let it run for like a minute or two. Then you go back under there underneath your car and make sure your oil drain plug and oil filter, like I said, wasn't leaking. And just checking to make sure you're topped off, and you should be good. That's how you change the oil. I hope y'all liked this video. If y'all did, make sure y'all hit the like button. Make sure y'all subscribe. I got a lot more videos coming out of the Civic. And another video I'm doing this one is fixing the power steering because it's leaking. That's in the future. It's coming up soon. Yeah, see y'all in the next one.